A scientist secretly injected python genes into his assistant's body. Within just one night, the assistant's body underwent astonishing changes. Not only did snake scales grow on his skin, but his head also began to evolve. Seeing these transformations, the scientist hurriedly gave the assistant another injection. As he eagerly awaited a miracle, the assistant unexpectedly let out a fart that somehow caused the python genes to leak from his body. The experiment had to be terminated. The scientist was furious because he wanted to create a serum that could transform humans into snake beings. Now that the experiment had failed and the assistant was no longer useful, he packaged him up and sold him to a circus. Unexpectedly, the circus, which had been on the verge of bankruptcy, suddenly became wildly popular again because of this snake man. Crowds flocked to see this bizarre snake-human hybrid, unaware that he was actually a mutated human being. The snake man tried to call for help from the audience, but he couldn't make a sound. Meanwhile, the scientist was searching for his next test subject. He specifically visited a university to seek help from an old friend, begging him to find a new research assistant. His friend introduced him to his student, David. They quickly headed to the research facility. As soon as they got out of the car, the scientist's daughter, Christina, came out to greet them. David was instantly smitten with Christina, his heart filled with joy. The scientist then showed David around the lab, introducing him to various animal species. David felt he could learn a lot here and decided to stay. It was this decision that would cost him his life. Looking at the naive David, the scientist lied, claiming he needed to inject him with snake venom antibodies. The innocent David had no idea these were actually venomous snake genes. That night, the genes made his whole body burn with fever. When he woke up, he discovered large patches of skin peeling off his face. Terrified, David went to find the scientist, who calmly told him this was a normal reaction to the antibody injection. Although David still had doubts, he didn't think much of it. Suddenly, the police arrived to investigate the disappearance of the previous assistant. The scientist calmly pretended to know nothing about it. After the police searched the lab and found no clues, they left. Once they were gone, the scientist gave David another injection. When David looked at the cobra in the cage, he felt a strange sense of kinship. From then on, the scientist regularly injected David with the genes and had his daughter Christina take care of him. Their prolonged time together led to romantic feelings, and they became a couple. One day, while out shopping for supplies, they decided to visit an amusement park. David learned there was a Snake Man performance at the circus and was eager to see it. Christina wasn't interested, so he went alone. When he saw the Snake Man, he was shocked that such a being actually existed, but he also felt an inexplicable emotion stirring within him.